Well, hello YouTube. In this tutorial we're gonna play around with data for rectangle, like we're gonna calculate area and perimeter and diagonal. And if you forget formulas, you have them down there. Just a second. Okay, so there you go, formulae. Right, area, perimeter and diagonal. Did I say that correctly? Diagonal? I don't know, sorry about that. And a little bit later we're gonna use very famous website Math is Fun to calculate, to compare what's happening in reality with our code. Okay, so that's what we are going to do, and probably you know this on top of your mind if you are in school, if you are active learner. Right, so data type, of course integer, it's not good, so we're gonna use float or double here with the h of rectangle h. Some people use width and length, but when I was in a school we used a and b, or width and height, so I don't know. And we need to calculate area and perimeter and diagonal. Right, all float. And actually we're gonna have some kind of, let's say, ASCII rectangle here, something like this. I'm gonna paint that, let's say, in a C, something like that. And here, okay, let's say this one will be like that. And then we can probably successfully copy paste this couple of times. Let me see. So this one will be with the h, let's say. Okay, something like this. And this one will be for your visual pleasure. Right, so printf, we are going to say calculatore, ecco. Okay, and we're gonna put this, well, sure, here, why not? Because it must be obvious. First explanation and then pretty pictures. And let's roll with the code. So we're gonna grab stuff from end user for with the h, and we're gonna put that with the scanf function placeholder f inside with the h. Okay. And well, pretty much same stuff for other dimension, which is h. Well, height is vertical stuff, okay? So some people use here length and here width, but I don't know, it's just weird for me. This looks like width to me and this like a height, so I don't know. So yeah, h. And now we can say, well, actually I can still piece of this line, because just a separator, like a straight line or something like that. I use the term like visual vertical differentiation, and some dudes on YouTube are telling me you can use term straight line. Well, my brain sometimes works, sometimes don't. Sorry about that. And let's calculate that stuff. Area equals, obviously with the h, width times h. Okay. And perimeter equals, well, 2 times with the h plus 2 times h. That's cool. And diagonal, well, diagonal, okay, we need to include here math header, include math header, because we need sqrt function, square root, right here, sqrt. And what is the target here? Well, pretty much with the h times with the h plus, oops, okay, plus h times h. And it will be very cool if we put into individual brackets, and hopefully I will not forget anything here. Okay, something like, my keyboard is messed up and I messed it up. Okay, width times width, and hopefully now the thing is clear. And let me just compile this. Probably I don't have any kind of error. Okay, so let's print those thingies, like printf area, of course, data is, where is that thing, f, placeholder, and a little bit of new line, area is a target. And same stuff for perimeter and diagonal. Parimeter, float, and what was it? Diagonal. I forget to type diagonal. Okay, so let me recompile this. Okay, no problems. Let me run this code, and there you go. Rectangle calculator. Well, why I lost this uppercase R? I hate that. Anyway, rectangle calculator. Well, there you go. We're gonna fix this new line I need to put here because this is ugly. I'm gonna do that immediately. I don't know why I don't like this when things are like stacked vertically. I do have some kind of mental, I don't know. Yeah, that's nicer now. Right, so let's say width is 20 or something, kilometers, millimeters, decimeters, centimeters, I don't know, nautical miles, who cares, and height is 10. And there you go, 260 and 22, 36, and we can actually shorten this result by saying dot 2, dot 2, dot 2. Okay, let me repeat that, like 20 and 10, and there you go. Area, perimeter, diagonal. So now we are going to check what is happening with very cool website, mathisfun.com. I would definitely recommend this website, it's so cool, but their rectangle is reversed when we look how it look like. See, mine is like this and there is like opposite direction, but who cares. Okay, so width, let's say just, we're gonna disregard how it look alike. Width is 20 and height is, what was it, 10? And there you go. 200, 200, we do have that. Diagonal, 22, 36, 22, 36, and perimeter 60. 60. And for some purists, when we talk about how these things look alike, well, we can reverse that, but the result will be pretty much same here. Yeah, pretty much same. Okay guys, so hopefully this was easy, especially if you are in school. You probably know these formulas on top of your mind. And yeah, there is nothing special here. We are just transferring formulas to piece of paper or programming languages, and this is even easier done in a Python, let's say. Yeah, that's it. ASCII art, I don't think so. This looks like a mess. But anyway, probably you get the point here. Thank you for watching. Share this channel with other people. Subscribe if you didn't. And probably we're gonna make this YouTube channel big one day, as other YouTube famous people. I don't know. Yeah. See you in a couple of minutes. And yeah, ciao ciao. Ciao bella. Ciao.